Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you set up Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. To set up Google Nest Hub, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So now, once you've got your Nest Hub and its power adapter out of the box, you want to peel off the protective film on a Nest Hub screen. Then you simply want to connect it up to a power socket. You will be met with a cherry welcome message and prompted to download the Google Home app on your smartphone or a tablet. As done installing Google Home app on your phone or a tablet, then what next you will need to do is connect your Nest Hub app. So for that, you from the inside of the Google Home app, tap device, and then you simply want to go ahead and tap on add to add a new device. In the case, it should be automatically detected by the app, and you can use your smartphone or tablets to scan the QR code. After you've actually done it, so find the home on your device. And what next you need to do is you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi as well. After you're done connecting your Wi-Fi, then you have to set up Google Assistant. After which, what you have to do is turn on personal result. If you want to be able to ask personal result on Nest Hub, so that covers everything you can find on your schedule of the YouTube recommendations, you could turn this on to the next step as well. As you've done it, so you want to go ahead and activate the feature as well. And once you've done, click on the next button. You could also use setup gesture and all that. So follow on the instruction prompt, and with that being said, you'll have successfully set up Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.